Hey guys, what it do? It's me, T-Shirt Montrese, and I'm back again for another video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification, hit that bell. You know what? I'm gonna pause while y'all so y'all can subscribe. You did it? Did you like this video? Okay. It's snowing. Snowing. We're supposed to get like 6 inches of snow as of now, and I'm in the grocery store trying to prepare. Are y'all a last minuter like me? I got some stuff yesterday, but it's still some. We need to get some cooked stuff.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Some foods that we can cook for the day. We only got like some what if type of foods, like sandwich meat, peanut butter jelly, things of that nature, crackers, stuff like that. So y'all come with me too, and I'm gonna let y'all know how I go. I'll be back. Do y'all eat these?
These are better than the original because they thin. So like, you know, the regular Chipper Hoys are nasty to me. The thin and crispy are the best.
Okay. He's more on a healthy journey. Me?
No, that's not healthy. That's just better.
But you said, but is what better mean healthy?
No, as in taste. Them thick ass Chipper Hoys have your damn mouth dry.
That's why you got juice on the side. My brother don't care about nothing else. As long as he got his Tabasco, he loves this. Do y'all eat this? Not me. It makes your food too hot, unenjoyably hot. Give me some Texas Peak, and I'm straight. Yeah, we're gonna try these for the first time. So that's gonna be another video. So stay tuned. These are cute. They got a deep little.
The fuck?
The side give air matches or floaty. They cute though. What kind of deodorant y'all use? I get either this one because you come out a little cheaper, or this one. Let me see. Ooh, sexy intrigue. Let's just say black and white. Let's do the sexy.
Unscented deodorant. This just smell like ass. Smell it.
The camera really doesn't do it any justice. Ooh. And this has only been what time is it? It's only been snowing for an hour and a half. I forgot to record coming in the store, but I'm trying to show y'all something real quick. I used to eat these, bro. They used to be so good. I haven't had them in a while. Taste buds might have changed. I'll be back. Y'all put this on some salmon. It just takes it to a whole nother notch.
Recommended this.
He told me about it, and now I'm telling y'all. Put this on salmon, bro. Delicioso. Y'all came in here for one thing, and I already got this chicken salad, Food Line chicken salad, boom, and some club crackers. I'll be back. Final verdict. Best Red Bull you can get. Here's the verdict after Food Line.
The girl behind you got the receipt. She faced me like, she must have got them. I don't know what.
People so angry out here today, y'all. Now, let me tell y'all a story real quick. See you later, Jay Shauna. Woo! Put your wipers down. We're going to get in line, y'all. And instead of her telling us she's closing the line, she going to send another guy to come put a daggone blockage in the line so we won't get in the line. Instead of just telling us like, oh, we're closing. Like, girl, if you ain't got the patience for it, why are you at work?
Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, hit that bell icon at the bottom, and tell a friend to tell a friend.
Hey, yeah, if you ain't coming like that behind your siblings, what are you doing? Oh, y'all want to see me Foster yesterday. Here's a clip.
wasn't much to eat on this mountain until now.
Y'all, it is really snowing.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And this is only, I think we're at like 2 hours now, 2 hours worth of snow. And it's really snowing, guys. I'm kind of tired of the snow though, low-key, a little bit. I'm just ready for spring, you know, but thank you, Jesus. I'll take it. I ain't gonna complain, as long as I ain't got to go to work. Make sure y'all be safe out there on them roads. If you're in Virginia anywhere, can't specify my area, you know, because people out here is crazy. But if you're in Virginia, be careful. This is how it looks in my area. It's only been snowing for like 2 hours. And it's supposed to snow until tomorrow. So this is how it looks now. And this is a neighborhood road. So make sure y'all be careful on the road. Take your time. Don't be in no rush. You feel me? Better safe than sorry. Okay? Okay. I hope y'all having a wonderful Wednesday. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Look at that background. Oh! That's beautiful. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Hit that bell so you can see me every single time I drop. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Thank y'all for loving me. Little old me. Big me. You feel me? However you want to put it. Thank y'all. And I'll be back when I be back.